Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced Coca Cola Cherry. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this glass. And last but not least, you open up this can of cherry Coca Cola and you pour it into this glass. Pour some more. That's it. And here is your iced Coca Cola Cherry. Enjoy it, folks.